how to trade Forex in MetaTrader 5 on Pocket Option. Here's what you have to do. First, sign into your Pocket Option account and then click on Trade Now. From here, you will click on Trading from the left hand side and select Forex MT5 Real Account. Once you do this, it is going to take us to this page. You want to select this icon and then you will choose Open Real Account. You should see Trade Ltd. You will then go through these steps here. You will need to enter all of your information and we can open up MetaTrader 5 now. Search for MetaTrader 5, open up the app itself, and once you open up the app, click on File from the left hand side and then open an account. Here you want to search for Trade Ltd, find your company, you will find it here, select it and then click on Next. Then you want to choose Connect with Existing Trade Account, and then you will go back into Trading Option or Pocket Option, sorry, and you will copy your login, paste it here. Then you will need to copy your password and again we will paste it and you will click on Finish, and that is how you do it. I hope this helps. Leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you next time.